Hey guys, did you know that beetroot can boost your energy levels by up to 20% in just 30 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the incredible benefits of different superfoods. Today we're diving into the world of beetroot and uncovering its amazing impact on overall health and well-being. Get ready to be amazed by what this humble vegetable can do for you. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's address a common issue: the lack of awareness about the benefits of beetroot. Many people underestimate the power of this vibrant vegetable and are missing out on its numerous health advantages. It's time to set the record straight and shed light on the incredible benefits of beetroot. Beetroot is packed with essential nutrients like nitrates, antioxidants, and vitamins that play a crucial role in improving our health. The nitrates in beetroot help enhance blood flow, leading to improved cardiovascular health and better exercise performance. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation, while vitamins support overall well-being. By incorporating beetroot into your diet, you're giving your body a natural boost of goodness that can have long-lasting effects on your health. Now, here comes the exciting part: the surprising benefits of beetroot that you probably didn't know about. Studies have shown that beetroot can help lower blood pressure, making it a great option for those looking to improve their heart health. Additionally, the nitrates in beetroot have been linked to enhanced brain function, making it a fantastic food for boosting cognitive performance. And let's not forget about the improved exercise performance that beetroot offers, making it a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. To sum it up, beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse that should not be overlooked. Its benefits extend far beyond just boosting energy levels and include improved exercise performance, lower blood pressure, and enhanced brain function. By incorporating beetroot into your daily routine, you can experience a multitude of health benefits that will support your overall well-being. Remember, a balanced diet with diverse nutrients is key to optimal health, and beetroot can play a significant role in achieving that. So, what are you waiting for? Give beetroot a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. Whether you add it to your salads, smoothies, or even bake it into delicious recipes, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to share your experiences with beetroot in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to live healthier and happier lives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Make the background music happy.